What is up with the T app, and how is it even remotely legal in the first place? Lots of people are talking about a massive data breach of this app called T, and what I want to know is how is this app even legal in the first place? As far as I can tell, it's an app where you can post someone's face and say whatever you want about them. How can that even possibly be legal? Is it because America doesn't have very stringent libel laws? It's branded as a dating safety app, which probably makes it seem more palatable to some. But that doesn't change the fact that it's basically just a place where you can say whatever you want about anybody, and there's absolutely no accountability. Seems like there should be some kind of legal protections against that? If someone finds out their photo was posted there, does the app have to comply with takedown requests? Or, an even better question, does someone have the right to know if their photo was posted on there? From what I can tell, men aren't even allowed to create accounts there and search for themselves. This has to violate some kind of law, although I'm aware America has relatively weak privacy laws. And yes, I know all about the First Amendment. But it seems like legit media publications are always getting in trouble for publishing defamatory stuff about people. Like, didn't Gawker get shut down because they posted something mean about Hulk Hogan? Or is it just a matter of whether or not you're rich enough to sue a company into oblivion? Answer: US lawyer here. In most cases, libel and aiding and abetting libel are not crimes. They're private causes of action that you could sue someone for. We generally don't get involved in regulating this sort of thing when there's an adequate remedy at law, though there are plenty of exceptions when there's a public safety or other justification. Most jurisdictions have decided not to criminalize it. You mentioned the First Amendment, and that wouldn't be relevant here. The First Amendment doesn't grant any rights to speech. Those exist in the state of nature. The First Amendment is a restriction on what the government is allowed to do. It's an extremely common misunderstanding. Obligatory. If any of this applies to you personally, talk to your own attorney. I can't give legal advice over Reddit. And adding on to this, you can send takedown notices if you own the copyright. For photos, unless otherwise agreed, copyright generally lies with the photographer, not the subject of the photo. So if you take a selfie and post it to Facebook, and they re-upload it to this app to talk shit, you can have it taken down. If someone else took the photo, they would have to be the one to send in the notice.